reducing baby movements after 37 to 38 weeks. So your baby is growing in the size and the space in your stomach to move around is also restricted. Now imagine your child was in the swimming pool before and now your child is in the bathtub. It is as simple as this. Is this normal? Is there anything wrong? Let's discuss all of this in this video. Due to less space, there are more rolls and less kicks, and this is interpreted as less movements. It is just different kind of movements. Remember, week 32, you are supposed to feel regular movements throughout the rest of your pregnancy. Also remember, we are not talking about specific number of movements because every baby is different. There always will be a pattern that is taken into consideration. For example, some babies are more active during the daytime and some are more active during the night. And once that pattern is established between you and your baby, then it remains same throughout. Whether you are in your 32 weeks, 37 or 38, the intensity might be less, okay, but the pattern should be the same. What are the possibilities when baby movements are less or become less? For that, read the caption below.